Alright, update on the barn. We got all the soffits in. And the guys are here today putting in the ceiling and the walls. Obviously, no windows, they were already there. And they did the spray foam. You can see how it's stopped. And interestingly, they put cardboard up there, which is crazy. But it's like all they need is something for the foam to stick to. We got solid soffits because we don't have any venting in the attic. We got power outlet plus the 4-inch box plus my network cable. Dryer vent or bathroom vent. That's what's hanging down back there. And then graded this back area. So you can see now it's a lot flatter. And then this slope is a bit more gentle. Waterproofed the posts. We're gonna dig them back out a bit. Because the builder's not gonna do anything with these posts, it's just gonna be us. We're gonna dig these back out, tar them, and then put 2x10 or something, whatever at the bottom, as kind of a sacrificial piece, 2x12 maybe, and for the horses to kick. And then we're gonna wrap the columns on the edges, like a 2-inch on each side with aluminum so the horses don't chew, and then we'll just paint the columns. We'll fill these in. Fill in these gaps, which is just crazy. These gaps are huge, but I guess that's just normal. And then this pipe right here, that's just kind of showing where the drain comes out from the barn, and then they'll end up running it down and doing a septic around there. And then they spray foamed what they could, just what I had faced on the inside. I'm not sure if you've seen that yet. So you can see the wood that Parker and I put in, and then we didn't go all the way up. So the spray foam guys will come back and then hit it from like the other side. Kind of crazy. And then all of the ceiling is spray foamed, and they're putting in the dense glass, which is like a fiberglass reinforced gypsum board, and then they're gonna put a synthetic stucco over top of it. And they also did the gable ends. I've been trying to record the build process. I had the camera up there, and then the spray foam guys were like, hey, you gotta get it out of here. So right now it's just sitting on the ladder. Hopefully I'll be able to do a time lapse when I'm done. And then once again, on the other side of this wall, I have some backer plates. I don't know what they're called. So we can mount stuff anywhere on the walls. So the spray foam guys had to get that. Otherwise it would be inaccessible, you can see. So we have some nice stuff to mount to.